Hi, my name is Carl Bates, and I'm the Chief Executive of the Sucess Group and author of the book, The Laws of Extreme Business Success. If you've ever been in a conversation with other people in business and someone said the law of three hats, or said, do you understand the three hats of business? Shareholder, director, and manager. They might well have had a read of the book, The Laws of Extreme Business Success. Within the book is the law of three hats. And the law of three hats talks about the fundamental difference between your role as a shareholder, your role as a director, and your role as a manager. It's about understanding that in any business, the three hats of shareholder, director, and manager are fundamentally separate and distinct. While many of us in our own businesses wear all three hats all of the time, switching between them without realizing what it is that we're doing or why it is we're playing a particular role. The law of three hats challenges you to understand what role you're in at any given time, to make sure you're making the decisions required of that particular hat. The role of a shareholder is to invest in a business for a return. The role of a director is to make sure the entity of which you're a director is delivering on its promise. And the role of a manager is to operationally deliver on the outcomes of the entity. So often as shareholder managers with no one else involved, we don't stop and think about the hat we're wearing. Which is why we challenge businesses to have a board of directors, to separate the role of manager and the role of shareholder by having good quality discussions with other directors whose only role in the business is to be a director on the board. If you're interested to learn more about the separation of the three hats and understand why it is that you should consider having a board in your business, have a read of the book, The Laws of Extreme Business Success. You'll find the link to order one below.